chapter number 2 in chemistry, that is elements, compounds, and mixtures.
Chemistry. How was our preparation of chapter?
Okay, beta. So
Yes, sir.
okay. So beta, this is your chapter. This is your chapter number 2. Okay. Elements, compounds, and mixtures. Compounds and mixtures. Okay, is it clear, beta?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So
Yes, sir.
okay, the very first thing is that beta,
Yes, sir.
mute yourself. I know you already seen in the screen the chapter's name. Okay, the first mute. Who is this? Beta, mute yourself. First topic is Walaikum Salam. Mashallah. Matter. Okay. Earlier, in physics, I told this about matter. What is matter? Basically, anything. Okay. Matter is.
Sir, you have checked our paper.
Beta,
Sir, can I tell?
listen. When I check it, I'll post it on post the marks. Okay. So basically, matter is anything.
Okay, sir.
Okay, beta. Don't worry for that. Anything. Anything you are seeing around you is anything. Okay. What is the condition to be a matter? Condition to become a matter is it should has mass. Okay. And occupy space.
Occupy area.
Okay, beta.
Yes, sir. Anything that has mass and occupies space is called matter.
Anything you say. Okay. Listen, this thing very important. Something is also not as matter. Non-matter things. Okay. You see, smell. Is smell?
Sir, air mass. Air is having some mass and occupies some space.
Exactly. When you fill the air in balloon. Okay. When you
So he takes some mass or occupies space to fill the balloon.
Very good. So
Take space.
I am saying that you see smell when food is cooking, you felt smell. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Is smell is a matter?
Yes, sir.
Yes, no, beta. Smell.
No, sir.
Listen to me.
No, sir. Smell is not a matter.
Smell is not a matter.
Sir, it is a matter.
Okay.
Sir, it is not a matter.
Our feelings.
Sir, air can matter.
Beta, yes. Feelings is not a matter. Okay. So
Sir.
there are some objects, some things also which do not contain any mass and
Sadness.
do not. Okay. So this is clear to everyone about this thing?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Very well. Yes, sir.
Mashallah, mashallah. Very good. Alhamdulillah. And the second topic is that
composition of matter.
Listen to me. Yes, beta. Very good. The topic is that composition of matter. Okay. Composition of matter. Before starting composition of matter, we should know what is volume and mass. Okay. Volume. Okay, what is volume? Beta, don't draw anything on the board. You are not following the instructions. What should I do, beta? Should I write your name? So volume is basically anything having, or we can say that
anything that occupies
space. Okay. So
it should be things.
Occupies space. Okay. That is called volume. Is it clear? And what is
yes,
mass?
Sir.
And what is mass?
The amount of
Sir, page number is going on.
Beta, 34, beta.
Sir,
Okay, sir.
how
Sir,
mass is something that tells how heavy or light an object is.
Okay. How heavy or large the object is. Okay.
amount of
Okay. Yes, beta. Please turn off the mic. After immediately, this is the best way of following the instructions, that immediately you turn off the mic after speaking. So basically, three things is clear to you. Matter is anything which having space and which occupies space and having some mass, that is called as matter. And volume is a thing that occupies space, that is called volume. If anything occupies volume, so we should say that it has a volume. If any object, any book occupies some space, so we should say that this book has volume. And the amount of matter contained, suppose that your book is made up of some particles. Or we can say that this is made up of certain amount of matter. So the amount of matter contained in a book is called mass. So book has a mass. So these three things are clear to you: the matter, volume, and the mass.
Yes, sir.
Yes, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Uh, okay,
Sir,
Masha.
I cannot understand.
Oh, what thing, beta? What's the thing? Tell me.
Sir, the volume.
Volume. Okay. You are having your book in your hand, chemistry book. Okay.
Yes, sir, having.
Okay, everyone having. So your book, listen, when you put in your bag, school bag, so it occupies some space. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So as
Yes,
it
sir.
occupies some space when you put it in your bag, so it occupies space. Okay, that's why it is called volume. Okay, anything which occupies
Yes, sir.
space, so it is called volume. Yes,
Air
Hannah?
is also occupies space in mass.
And as it is made up of certain amount of particles, certain amount of matter, so it has mass also. Yes, beta. Hannah, you want to say something? You want to ask me something? Hannah, well, you are raising your hand.
No, sir.
Put it down.
Okay, sir.
So this thing is clear, beta.
Sir, your voice is not audible.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So next thing is
Like balloon has mass and occupies space.
balloon has a mass. Okay, and occupies space. So next thing is beta composition of matter. Okay, means matter is made up of what thing? Okay, so
Matter is made up of.
yes, yes, Faizan Khan, please open page number 34 and read composition of matter.
Matter is made up of atoms.
Beta, listen to me. Yes.
Sir, I can read.
Okay, you can
Sir, I
read.
can read.
No, you can read, beta.
Sir, please share the screen of the chapter.
Beta, open page number 34.
Sir, I can read now. Faizan is not reading. So
Yes, you are reading. Start
Sir,
reading.
please share the screen of the chapter.
what is a matter compositive of? Let us take a sugar cube and break it into small pieces using some J tools. Each of piece will be still task
Yes.
sweet and
Great.
our matter
Please
sugar.
share the screen of the
Matter
chapter.
sugar
Beta, I'm
is
sharing it. Wait for a
are
second.
small piece.
Beta,
Small
mute,
piece.
mute everyone. Mute everyone. And turn off the camera.
Small piece. Small piece.
Yes.
Small piece. The result smaller piece will be still task sweeter and therefore remain the matter sugar. If we continue the process, what will be happen? We will be reach a point where it is not possible to break the piece into a smaller
Sir, can I read?
without losing a
Only one student is reading.
sweetness, smallest practical of matter, which cannot be future broken.
Beta,
But-
what's this? Turn off your mobile, Mantasha, and say only one person is.
Curtain broken into smaller particles without changing the say what is this fundament of protein is called
Fundamental. He's saying
fundamental.
Sir,
Is
please
Beta,
I
your
can read.
voice is not coming properly. Speak it loudly. Speak it loudly.
Sir, I can read, sir.
No.
It's
It's
called
called-
molecules, sir.
Okay, very good.
Molecules.
Okay, very good. Please mute everyone. I'm explaining this. Okay. Mute
Sir,
everyone.
I have to ask one
Beta,
question.
okay, please go. Ask me.
Sir, which line I forget?
Beta, I am telling you. Wait for a second. Okay, turn off the mic. Turn off the mic. Turn off the mic. Okay, I'm explaining this thing. Basically, take a sugar cube and break it into small pieces. Okay, crush it by the either by hand or grinding tool. Okay, what you observe, each of the piece will taste sweet. Okay, is it clear? And are they matter of sugars?
Yes.
Okay, now take small pieces from these pieces and break it further into still small pieces. First, you take a cube and then pieces into particles. Okay, and then you take it that particle and taste it. You will feel sweet. Okay, then again take that particular particle and try to break it further. What you will observe, the resulting smaller pieces will taste sweet and therefore remaining the matter sugar. Still they are taste, its taste is sweet. Okay, now what happened? If we continue this process, what will happen? We will reach a point where it is not possible to break the pieces into small pieces without losing its sweetness. Okay, this is what we are doing. We take a first we take a big cube of sugar, then we break it into pieces and taste it. It feels sweet. Again, we take that particular piece of sugar and beta, please turn off. Two mics are open. Ahmed Ali Abdullah. You are not following. I am today. I will inform. Okay, don't worry. I will inform today. You are not following the instruction. You are disturbing the class. Muhammad Arim.
Sorry, sir.
Still one mic is open. What you are observing that the pieces of cube start or having same sweetness. Okay, when what happened, the smallest particle of matter, beta, the smallest particle of matter. Okay, I am sharing the screen. Wait for a second. The smallest particle of matter which cannot be further broken into smaller particles without changing its fundamental properties called molecule. Okay, I am sharing this thing. Wait.
What is molecules and
I am telling to you. Okay, I am telling the smallest particle of matter. Okay, the smallest particle of matter.
It's
Listen to
called
me.
molecule.
The small
particle of
beta, please turn off the mic, which cannot be
Broken further.
broken. Okay, which cannot be further broken. It's called molecule. Okay, listen, this thing important without changing its fundamental properties. Okay, important thing is that without changing its without changing fundamental properties. I'm telling you to you what is without changing fundamental properties. Okay, means
So what
that
is fundamental?
I am telling to you, when you start breaking into small particles and you see that as we take the example of sugar, when we start breaking into small particles, the sweetness remains there. Okay, we still feel the sweetness of the sugar. Okay, on breaking the particle. Okay, so its property, the property of sugar is it is sweet. Is it clear? The property of sugar is it is sweet.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
Yes, sir.
on breaking the particles,
Yes, sir.
is the taste
Yes,
changes?
sir.
Is the taste
Sir,
changes?
tell again. Sir, I'm not understood. Tell again, please.
Okay, listen to me and mute everyone so that everyone can understand easily. I am saying that I am explaining the word without changing fundamental property. Okay, so for that I just there was a example of sugar cube. Okay, when you break the sugar cube into small particles and you pick one of the particle. Okay, suppose this is your sugar particle, you broke it. Okay, and you take this particle. Okay, so is this particle remain sweet or its taste changes? It will remain.
It's remain sweet. It will not change. It will remain sweet.
Okay, turn off the mic immediately. It turn off. Okay, it taste remains the same. It tastes sweet. Okay, when we further broke it into more particles, more smaller particles. Okay, we broke it into or further small particles and take this one. Okay, so still the sweetness continues. Okay,
Yes, sir. So let us continue.
so it means that the fundamental property is not changing. Now this is understood about fundamental property.
Yes, sir.
So, sir, now I can read, sir, after molecules.
Sir, I can read.
Wait. Okay, mute yourself.
Sir, I can read.
First of all, mute yourself.
Sir,
Still, too many mics are open. Okay, this is understood by everyone. Fundamental properties are not changing.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
yes, sir.
So this is the definition of molecule, that it is the smallest particle of matter which cannot be further broken into small particles without changing its fundamental properties. This is the must thing. This is, if you not write this thing without changing fundamental property, then your definition is incomplete. Okay. So this is about molecule. Now we come to atom. So still it is possible to break molecule. Okay, so but the particles often will lose the property. Listen, if further,
Sir, I can.
listen,
Sir, you're not audible me.
if further we break it, okay, and we find that the property is changing, okay, then that become an atom, the smallest particle on which the fundamental property changes. So they called as atom.
Sir, I cannot understand atom.
Okay, I am telling you. Open page 34 and here start reading. It is I am reading, no one will read. It is possible to break a molecule, but the particles obtained will lose the property of the molecule. Open the book and see the lines I am reading. Okay, it is possible, still possible to break a molecule, but the particles obtained will lose the property of molecule. For example, if we break a sugar molecule, we will obtain still small particles, but none of them will taste sweet. So the tiny indivisible particle of matter that can combine to form molecule is called atom. So this thing is clear to you. What is atom? Atom is basically the indivisible what particle. Okay, matter is basically the indivisible particle. Okay, which of matter which combines to form molecule. For atom, it is the tiny indivisible particle. Is it clear to everyone? The in
No,
for
sir.
Yes, sir.
okay, the
No,
definition
sir.
the definition
Yes,
of
sir.
the definition of
Yes, sir.
okay, definition of atom is tiny indivisible particle. Yes, Fayaz, you open the camera to break the rule of matter. okay, that combines to form a molecule. That combines to form a molecule. Okay, is it
Sir,
clear?
please explain molecule.
Okay, molecule is basically the smallest particle, okay, of matter which we further broken in such a way that its fundamental properties doesn't changes. Okay,
Sir, we can break molecule, not atom.
but when atoms combine, okay, atoms,
Sir, small particles of
what when
matter
atom
is molecule.
when atom combines, they form molecule. They form molecule.
So, sir, atom we can break, but molecule is bigger because when atom combines, then
Listen,
molecule.
listen,
Small.
listen to me. I am telling you both the things. Okay, again, please mute yourself first of all. Okay, okay. I am telling you the difference. What is molecule and atom? Please mute yourself immediately. Okay, okay, beta. Yes, whose mic is open? Who's who is speaking from behind? Still, you are not following, beta. I am saying that molecule is the smallest particle of matter. Okay, this thing is clear. The smallest particle of matter. Okay, and what is the property of that thing? It cannot be further broken into smaller particles without changing its fundamental property. Means the smallest particle in which we cannot, the fundamental properties will not going to change. The smallest particle of matter, okay, in which the fundamental particle did not going to change, then that smallest particle is called as molecule. This thing is clear?
Yes, sir, clear. This thing is clear.
Okay, okay, now
Sir,
I
I
am,
want to ask.
yes beta, please.
Sir, here it is written possible to break the piece into smaller pieces without losing its sweetness in molecules at a distance. So if we will break it, so it will lose its sweetness.
Beta, after breaking the molecule into further smaller particles, a stage comes where the particle loses the sweetness. Okay, that particle
Okay,
is
sir.
called atom. As it is written also, you
In
can,
molecules, अगर we put we take one piece of a sugar, cut, then its taste is gone.
listen, when you take a sugar and you cut it, its sweetness will not gone. Okay, okay, the property of molecule, basically molecule
sir.
is the smallest thing of matter. Okay, if you break a piece of paper into some smaller particles, okay, there is a stage come where you cannot break and its fundamental property will remain same. Just understand beta, for very easy, just for understanding, just for understanding, remember the
Yes, sir.
definition of molecule. Basically, mute yourself beta. Who is disturbing this? Again, you are not following. Why you open the mic if you want? Today I note two persons name, okay, and I'll keep on noting if you're not following the instructions.
Sir, who is there?
That person definitely know himself when he or she got the message from the someone. Okay, so atom and molecule, the basic difference between atom and molecules, that when atoms combine, they form a bigger thing, that is molecule. Okay, molecule is a smaller thing, and the atom is more smaller than molecule. Okay, when you break molecule, you get atoms. Okay, so atom may not exist in nature independently, but molecules do. Okay, molecules can exist independently, and atoms cannot exist independently. Okay, so this is the major difference between atoms and molecules. Now go through page 35 and see there are 118 different types of atoms are there. It means that different 118 different atoms means 100 different types of elements are there. Okay beta?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, So remember this thing, because your preparation, your physics, oh sorry, your chemistry test was very good, alhamdulillah. Most of the students do it correctly. So remember this thing also, that such type of questions can also be made. How many elements, how many atoms are present. So 118 different types of atoms
Okay,
are
sir.
present, and out of which 92 elements or 92 atoms are found in nature, and the rest remaining are made or created in the laboratory. Okay. So it is written here, matter is made up of molecule, and molecules are made up of atom, as I just told you right now, that when you break molecules, you will get atoms. So matter is made up of molecule, and molecule is made up of atoms. Is it clear, everyone, to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, beta.
Sir.
MashaAllah.
Actually, मैंने on किया था, तो
Okay. Yes. Muzair?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anabia, you there? Anabia, beta, you there? Anabia, beta, are you there? Yes, Ayman Jamal. Beta, Ayman Jamal, are
Yes,
you there?
sir.
Ayman Jamal, please read 35, page number 35, classification of matter.
What?
Please read page number 35,
Classification of
classification matter.
Classification
Sir,
of
paragraph
matter
which we
on
have
the
to read.
basis of its composition.
Faizan, you,
We have to read.
Faizan, please you turn off your mic. Okay, Ayman Jamal will read.
Okay, sir.
Matter can be broadly classified into two groups: pure
Okay,
substances and mixed substances. Pure
okay,
substances can be further classified as elements and compounds.
okay, very good.
Mixed substance or mixtures can be further classified as homogeneous and heterogeneous
Heterogeneous.
substance
Yes, very good.
properties.
So, yes,
They are made of same type of molecules or atoms.
okay.
Gold, silver, table salt, water, and sugar
Sir,
are
can
some
you please tell me, sir, from where she is reading?
Beta, okay, good. Stop here. I am explaining this thing. Okay, first. Beta, you are not having the book. You are not following the lecture. You are not following the class. It is on page number 35, classification of matter. Okay, beta. So I am telling you, wait for a second. Let me share my screen. Okay. Mute yourself. So basically, matter is classified into two things. Okay. Pure substance, and here is mixed substance. Okay. Then this is further classified as you seen on the in your book also, that this is further classified as element, okay, and compound. Okay, so such type of question will also this type of question will also come. So please remember this classification table. Okay, and this is further classified as homogeneous.
Sir, we can say like, sir, elements like pure substance, matter, sir.
Beta, wait for a second. Okay, this is the classification. And what is pure substances? Basically, pure substances are those substances having a definite molecular composition and fixed properties. They are made up of same type of molecules and atoms. Like when you all see gold. So is gold is made up of
You explain again.
okay. First of all, I'm telling this thing that matter is classified as pure substances. Okay, and mixed substance. Then pure substances is further divided as elements, okay, and compounds. Okay, and mixed substances are further divided as homogeneous and heterogeneous. Okay, now stay some open the mic. Now what happened? Why you are not following the instructions? Zikra Salman, yes, Zikra Salman, your name is noted. So pure substances, the property. What is the property of gold? Is gold is made up of some different kinds. Means you take a piece of gold and you see some is only gold is there or some silver is also mixed with it in a pure gold. If you have a pure
gold, zinc is also there.
if you have a pure gold, okay, and it is not mixed with anything, only gold atoms are there or different type of atoms are there. Yes, students, what happened?
Silver.
Beta, basically
Sir,
listen to me.
please repeat more time.
I am saying that beta, if you have a pure substance, okay, then in that pure substance only one kind of molecules are present. This is the property of pure substance. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Sir, homogeneous and clear. Heterogeneous.
Okay, beta, homogeneous and heterogeneous, it will come in the next classes. Okay, they are written. Basically, I'm giving you some a little bit here. Homogeneous means having same composition throughout. Okay, substances are same, they are mixed. Okay, and heterogeneous substances are those substances, they are different kinds. Okay,
Sir, they do not remain same.
yes. So this thing is, remember that pure substance properties, there are further some properties of pure substances that they have a definite composition. For example, if you have gold, then gold is made up of gold atoms only. And if you have a silver, then silver is made up of only silver atoms only. Beta, you open the camera, Charis. Okay. So this is the property that a pure substance has definite composition. They have definite properties. Okay, like they have specific boiling and melting point. You know, at what temperature water boils?
100 degrees Celsius.
Yes. So this is a particular.
100 degrees Celsius.
Yes, all know it is 100 degrees. So beta, it is a particular temperature.
100 degrees Celsius.
Very good, mashallah. So beta, what happened? Beta, you are not muting the mic and Shari Shanawaz, huh? Still, you are not after giving so many times of instructions, you are not following it. What is the reason? You are opening the camera. You are open. Your mic is open. I am writing the Shari Shanawaz also. The name. Okay, so in the assignment, what you have to do, I am telling to you, students, are you listening to me? I am audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, beta.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Okay. Beta,
Yes, sir.
Beta, yes, what happened? Why you are not following the instructions, huh? Why you are opening the mic? Why you open the camera again and again? I just starting in the starting, you are behaving very good in a very good manner. You just say something and just immediately you turn off your mic. So beta, what you have to do in the homework, you have to do question number 1C on page number 57, 1 and 2. You all saw the. Beta, you have,
again.
I am telling to you, you have to do question number 1 and question number 2 on page number 57. Short answer, section I. All saw it? All seen this page?
Sir, which one?
Short answer, question number 1 and question number 2.
Question number 9, second. Sir, of page number?
57.
57.
Okay, beta?
So, short answer?
Yes, only this.
Sir, Sir,
only
this all page you will not explain, sir.
Number 9, sir.
which page, beta?
Sir, sir, 35 we have explained, sir. 36, 37, 38, sir, this all.
We have explain the chapter. How can we do the question answers?
Beta,
These are very easy. What
Listen
is
to-
an atom?
beta, are you not listening to me properly? I am saying you have to do only these two questions because these two questions are covered in the today's topic.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yes,
Sir, we have to do two questions.
Beta, turn off your mic.
And
Turn off your mic,
mention
beta.
important characters.
Beta, I know this thing that if I know this thing, these questions I didn't tell you, so how can you able to answer it? Okay, these two questions are covered today in today's topic so that you can answer these topics. Okay, the characteristics is written here. Okay, what are the characteristics? I just told you they have a definite composition, they have definite properties. Okay, it is written in the bottom that physically indivisible into smaller, simpler substances. So these are the physical properties. These are the properties of pure substances. Okay, this is the question.
write in answer number 2?
Answer number 2, you have to write the characteristics. It is written definite composition, definite properties. Okay, I am only the part I am covering today. Only on that basis, do the question. It's only 2 questions you have to do today. Okay. I will post it on the assignment on the group also, the app also. Okay, beta. So beta, today's matter, volume, mass is clear to you about molecules and atoms.
Yes, sir.
If you anyone, okay, beta, very good, mashallah. And if you have any query, you can ask me
Yes,
on my WhatsApp.
understand this pure substance.
Okay, I'm telling to you, beta, pure substance. What is pure? Pure is that thing which is in which you have mixed nothing. That is pure, na? If you are pure, okay,
It's nothing.
it's not mixed with anything. Okay, the substance in which
Yes, sir.
you do not mix anything, that is called pure. Okay,
Like gold.
exactly, beta. That's very nice. That's like gold,
Sir,
like
the thing
silver.
that we have not mixed anything that said that is called pure.
Yes.
Like tables.
Okay, so and what is the property? There should be definite composition. Means water is made up of
Yes,
two
sir.
things. So wherever
Sir,
you
one example, sir, like
listen,
pure
listen to me,
substance.
listen to me. Wherever you go in the world, you feel you have water, and you know that water is made up of two elements, hydrogen and oxygen.